Oh, you're so cute. You're mine.
His cat loves to eat dragon fruit.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You know that cat owns you, right?
Oh, please. I'm the one in charge of... Oh, sorry, ma'am.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
He is 100% innocent. Good thing no one overreacted.
None of the other chickens are ever gonna believe you, dude.
And a fun fact about me is I actually won a jerk chicken competition and I was never a jerk chicken before that. What are you doing? You can't.